In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check tone and delivery in Grammarly and utilize this feature to refine your writing. Whether you're drafting an email, putting together a report, or working on something more creative, Grammarly's tone and delivery tools can significantly enhance the way your writing comes across to others. Let's dive into the process and discover how you can make the most of these features. First, open your application that integrates with Grammarly. This could be Word, Google Sheets, or even Gmail, wherever you are composing your text. Once you start writing, or if you'd rather paste a pre-written chunk of text, Grammarly gets to work by analyzing your words. You'll notice a small tone detector indicator appearing, typically near the bottom right of your screen or sometimes in the sidebar. This handy tool gives you insight into how your writing sounds. It might describe your language as friendly, confident, formal, or perhaps concerned. If the tone Grammarly detects isn't quite what you were aiming for, adjusting your writing is the next step. Start by evaluating your word choices. For example, if you're facing a rather formal tone but want to soften it, consider swapping phrases like must do for more gentle alternatives such as should consider. Beyond word choice, consider your sentence structure. Adjusting this aspect can help dial up or down the formality as needed. Additionally, pay attention to the use of hedging or emphatic phrases. You can either remove or add these based on the desired effect. As you make these changes, keep an eye on the tone detector. It should update to reflect the adjustments, getting you closer to the tone you want to achieve. Now, let's shift focus to delivery. With your text already loaded in Grammarly, you can look for specific suggestions related to how your message is coming across. Grammarly may point out areas with phrases such as hedging language, unconfident tone, too casual, or note where passive voice weakens delivery. All of these suggestions fall under the delivery or tone and delivery category. When you hover over or click on these suggestion cards, Grammarly provides a rationale, like pointing out that your wording might sound tentative or that a sentence could be worded more clearly. Deciding whether to accept or reject these suggestions requires a thoughtful approach. Consider your intent. If you're writing a friendly, informal note, you might embrace the casual suggestions, whereas a formal report might demand a more assertive delivery. Utilize settings like goals or audience formality to further tailor suggestions to your audience. This customization helps Grammarly offer you the best advice on aligning your delivery with your intended readership. As a final check, try reading your text aloud or imagining yourself speaking it to your intended audience. If it feels right, confident, and aligned with your original intention, you've done well. With these tools and considerations in play, you're empowered to ensure your writing not only communicates effectively, but resonates with your audience just as you intended.